Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about Maiden Hair Fern. It's becoming popular again, so lacy and delicate. It does take a little extra care, but with that care, it will last so well. This is a week old already. Isn't that beautiful? Just when you get it in, give it a fresh cut, put it in water mixed with flower food, and take that little extra step to totally spray it down with an anti-transpirant, something like Finishing Touch or Crowning Glory. Saturate it front and back. When it dries, it helps seal that moisture in so that it will last. Now, sometimes you're still going to have a piece that fades. Don't throw it away. Save it. Work it into your dried arrangements for a little extra texture and fun little ruffle. Now you know how the pros do it.